St. Joseph School District making it through the first week of the fall semester classes. Not easy at all, though, starting a new school year in the midst of a resurging pandemic. KQ2's Madeline McClain now with what school leaders are saying about COVID-19 quarantines.
It's been an eventful first week of school. There's the ongoing pandemic and mask policy backlash. Still, the St. Joseph School District superintendent says staff are pushing through.
Some of the noise and commotion that goes on outside of school, hopefully we're doing what we can to manage that and buffer it. But all in all, I think it's gone well. I think that our folks have, as they did last year, have risen to the challenge.
COVID-19 cases and quarantine still a daily struggle, with about 31 students reporting a positive case this week and a total of 97 in quarantine. But there's a silver lining.
In one instance, it was only the person who tested positive that had to quarantine because everybody else had their mask on. In another instance that I'm aware of, it was like 5 or 6 students.
Local School Association President J. Eric Simmons says that's why his members are firmly behind the board's masking mandate.
With state, federal, and local requirements on quarantining procedures, students who are in a classroom and are next to a student who is positive with COVID-19, if that student is wearing a mask, they do not have to quarantine, which means that we get to keep our kids in school.
Even when there's backlash, like at Monday night's contentious school board meeting.
No one likes to wear masks. The whole point is that we get to keep our schools open and we get to keep our kids learning in the best environment.
As far as the backlash at the state level, with Missouri's Attorney General attempting to sue schools with mask policies, school leaders say it's not something they're worried about right now.
It seems a little bit different that one individual feels like they are going to be able to mandate for everybody across the state what they believe, rather than, as Missouri has always been, a local control state.
Simmons says that while it's hard sometimes for the teachers and staff to tune out the extra noise and forget their worries, there's one thing that's helping.
I have heard from many of my members who have reached out saying how excited and thankful they are that we are starting this school year out together in person with our kids in the classroom.
Reporting, Madeline McClain, KQ2 News.
According to the school district's dashboard, a total of 4 staff are out and in quarantine and 3 have tested positive.